Hi, I'm going to teach you today how to do binary, and we've done that a little brief intro before, but I just want to quickly go over it. Why do we use binary? Well, binary is a way of computers storing and processing data. All data in computers is either stored in binary or zeros and ones, as we call it. So binary is just a combination of zeros or ones, 0 and 1. Why? Well, because if in a way it's the two states, either some current or no current, is how the computer processes data. Before I teach you binary, I'll just recap to back when you're at binary school and look at our normal numbering system, which is when it's called base 10. What is base 10? Well, base 10 is your normal numbering system. So if I take you back to primary school when you first started to learn about numbers, and the way we learnt numbers, we said, well, this is my ones column, this is my tens column, and this is my hundreds column. And actually in mathematics, that is, because it's going up in 10, that's 10 to the 0, 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2. So let's say if we write a number, say the number 125 is effectively 5 times 1, because that's my ones column, plus 2 times 10, which is my tens column, plus 1 times 100, which will give me 125. 125. That is our normal numbering system, the system that we're all very familiar with. Now in binary, we have a slightly different approach. So in base 2, okay, we can only go up in multiples of 0 and 1. So our column headings slightly change. So we're now working in base 2. And so therefore this column becomes 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 4, and etc. And in terms of that, what does that mean? Well, that's my ones column. That's my 2's column, that's my 4's column, my 8's column, my 16's column, and so forth and so on. So now I've got my column headings. How do I do the binary? Well, remember, we've only got 0 and 1 in each column. So I'm going to give the binary 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. What does that mean? Well, it means I have no 1s, I have a 2, I have a 4, no 8s and no 16. So 4 plus 2 equals, 4 plus 2 equals 6, because 4 plus my 2 is 6. So 6 in binary, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now if we were to write this in binary, we wouldn't bother adding the zeros because there's no point. So we just go 1, 1, 0, and we say a little number there to say that it is base 2, i.e. binary. So to practice some more, let's try some other numbers. So okay, so let's try 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. What does that equal? Well, that's my ones column. So that's 1 plus no 2's, no 4's, plus my 8 plus my 16 gives me 25. Okay, so 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 16 is 25. Sorry, 25. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken simple binary and started doing some basic maths. We can try again. Let's try another number. Now as you get used to this, you'll start to be able to say, well, I can write my number here and I can simply do my column headings 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So here we have 32 plus 1 is 33. Now sometimes we have to do it the other way round. Oh, how would we do that? Well, it's very simple. Again, if we had this number here at 6, I could look at my column headings 1, 2, 4, 8 and go, well, what combination of numbers do I need to get the value of 6? And I had to work out that is 4 plus 2, so therefore it would be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And that is simply it. Now, based on what I've shown you here, I would like you to complete some of the basic exercises. Thanks.